Hey guys, it's me Tanuj back with another video. So in this video I am going to review Hydrogen OS Beta 3 on my OnePlus 6 and would talk about its pros, cons and stability. So if you guys want to know more of it, then please watch this video till end. So now guys, without any further ado, let's get to it. This is the shot which I received on Beta 3. As you can see, this is my OnePlus 6 running on the latest Beta 3 version of Hydrogen OS. So let me show you by going into the settings, going into the about, and as you come to the Android version, it is 9. Android security patch level is of 5th September 2018, which is the latest right now and which you even got to see in the Beta 2. Then the kernel version has been upgraded, so we can expect some good battery life on the Beta 3. Then as you come to the buttons and gestures, here the gestures are working perfectly fine, no problem in gestures, and even buttons are working fine. And as you can see, I using the Android Pie gesture, which is also working fine. Then as you come to the battery, here we get to see the new option, which is adaptive battery, and which we even got to see in Beta 2. But as it was in Beta 2, it was not optimized for OnePlus 6, and even in Beta 3 it is still not optimized for our OnePlus 6. But there is one solution to this problem. As you see, the adaptive battery is bit aggressive on your apps, but if you use it daily, it would slowly and gradually get optimized for your apps, and then you can use your apps without any problem. So be patient and don't worry. Then as you come to our home screen and talk about its launcher, so the launcher is same, which is version 3.0, which we even got to see in DP3, Beta 1 and Beta 2 of Hydrogen OS. Then as you come to the VoLTE works fine, no issues there. Let me show you by calling on this number.
ભારતનો સબસે તેજ નેટવર્કમાં તમારા સ્વાગત છે.
So as you can see, the Airtel works fine, meaning the VoLTE works fine. Then if you guys wanted to know that how to install Google Play services on our Hydrogen OS, so you can do one thing. You would get this Market app, which is a sort of Chinese Play Store app. So just click on it and go into the search for apps and write Play Store. And as you can see, the first option which we would get is Google Play. So just click on the install button and you're good to go. Then you can easily use Play Store and install apps. So another problem which comes here is the syncing of contacts. So don't worry, you can install the Google Contacts app from the Play Store, and then the synchronization of your contacts would work perfectly fine. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please click on that thumbs up, and if you guys want to watch more of it, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm Tanuj, signing out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Till then,